The sample has 3 layers. Let us edit the program from the top layer. First, we will put the 3 layers samples assembled together very well, then put them on the fixed molding. Next, we will edit the program by the remote device. Press the menu button and create a new file, and then reset the device. Now we can set a file name. For example, the name can be 12345, then save the file. Next, press the number 6 button. According to the sample shape, we know that the glue gun need make the rectangle pattern in 1 arc line and 1 straight line. We can measure the sizes according to the product shape. For example, we measure the length. We will take the center point, the length is 195 mm. Then we measure the width, also we will take the center point, the width is 225 mm. Next, we will choose the rectangle shape in the remote device and press the confirm button. We need enter the length with 195 mm and enter the width with 225 mm into the program. The x-axis is length side, the y-axis is width side. And then we set a radius, for example 3 mm. Then we do the next steps. First we need set the starting point of the rectangle shape. If confirm the starting point, we can adjust the X button, Y button and Z button to set the right starting point. The starting point is determined by setting the coordinates. We can decline the glue gun. You will see the decline height on the screen. You will know the distance between the glue gun to product. You can press the confirm button when the glue gun appropriate the suitable position. Next you will see a pattern displayed on the screen that corresponds to the actual product rectangle shape. The following we need to draw a straight line. First we click Y button, and then click Operation button. We set up the instruction by moving the Y-axis moves to the first endpoint, choose Operation and then insert the instruction. Now we are going to insert a straight line. Select the straight line and then need to set the starting point. We move through the Y coordinates to determine the starting location. Here you can see, low speed, middle speed, high speed. For example, the straight line is long. We move the glue gun on Y-axis with high speed by press the number 3 button. Also we need adjust the glue gun to exact position on X-axis with low speed by press number 1 button. Then press the confirm button. Next we need set the endpoint. The glue gun will move on X-axis with high speed by press the number 3 button and move on Y-axis with low speed by press number 1 button, then confirm it. You will see the straight line displayed on the screen. Now we need draw arc line. First we click Y button, and then click Operation button. We set up the instruction of arc line. This instruction is to determine the starting point by moving the coordinates, then confirm it. According to the sample shape, we need set the starting point and ending point, also we need set the middle point. The glue gun need move from starting point to middle point to ending point. We will move the glue gun to the starting point position by press the arrow buttons on remote device, then confirm the starting point position setting. Next we need set the middle point position with the same operation. Also you can move the glue gun with a different speed, then confirm the middle point position. Next we need set the ending point position with the same operation, then confirm the ending point position. The principle is to move the glue gun to the starting point, the middle point and the end point by moving the coordinates of the XY axis. You can choose between low speed, medium speed and high speed. Next you will see the patterns displayed on the screen. Then press the starting button, the whole moving pattern setting are saved. Then we can simulate and demonstrate the glue application path. First, press the F1 button to close the glue nozzle. The font color on the touchscreen will change from red to black. Then click the Start button. The glue gun will simulate spraying glue according to the pattern we set. When the machine is working, we can change the movement speed by changing the Y button. The Y-axis up button increases the speed, and the Y-axis down button reduces the speed. The amount of glue sprayed by the glue gun will also change. The amount of glue sprayed at low speed will increase and the high speed can be changed to 100. You can also see the time it takes for the glue gun to complete one pass of glue.